Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your TV supports Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast built-in. This is essential. Turn on both devices and connect them to the same Wi-Fi network. If the TV has guest mode, disable it. On your phone or laptop, open the display or casting settings, choose screen mirroring or cast screen, and select the TV name. Once done, accept any prompt on the TV. This begins the mirror session. The why is simple. Both devices must negotiate video and audio codecs to stream reliably. You'll refine connection settings next. Open the casting options and set resolution or scale to match the TV. Pick 16:9 if available for full screen. Make sure notifications are silenced to avoid overlays, and grant permission for screen capture and microphone if you want audio. If latency occurs, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or move closer to the router. Lower resolution reduces lag. Once you tweak these, the image will stabilize and apps will behave like a local display. This is why matching rates matters. To finish, stop mirroring from your device or press the TV's input source to revert to regular viewing. Confirm the session ended on both devices. Save this configuration as a quick action or shortcut for future use, and note the TV name and network settings for quick reconnection. If you need audio from the TV, set the TV as the output device in your source's sound settings. If the image fails or audio drops, restart the TV and phone. Reconnect. If problems persist, toggle the TV's wireless receiver off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.